The world of AI agent development is evolving faster than ever before. From smart chatbots handling customer service to autonomous agents managing entire workflows, AI agents are reshaping how businesses operate globally. In fact, the global AI agent market is expected to hit $7.6 billion by 2025, up from $5.4 billion in 2024. That's a staggering CAGR of 45.8% through 2030. And India? It's gearing up for an $8 billion AI market by 2025, growing at 40% annually. But what makes an AI agent truly effective? Let's break down the core building blocks. 1. Clear goals. Every AI agent starts with a purpose. Whether it's a chatbot or a recommendation engine, defining objectives helps measure ROI and align with business impact. 2. Smart data strategy. AI is only as good as the data behind it. Structured, unbiased, and scalable data pipelines are the fuel. 3. Right architecture and AMP frameworks. Choosing scalable AI development frameworks makes the difference between quick prototypes and production-ready systems. 4. Core intelligence. Planning, decision-making, and natural language processing, NLP, form the brain of your agent. 5. Reliable infrastructure. Deployment matters. Whether on cloud or edge, your stack needs to scale securely. But it's not all smooth sailing. Here are 4 big challenges most companies face. 1. Data limitations. Poor or biased data hurts outcomes. The solution? Use synthetic data, open source sets, or work with experienced AI development firms. 2. High development costs. AI isn't cheap, but pre-trained models, open source tools, and cloud-based frameworks can cut your AI app development costs significantly. 3. Talent shortages. Deep learning and NLP experts are in high demand. That's why many partner with AI agent development companies for scalable expertise. 4. Ethical and AMP compliance hurdles. With regulations like GDPR and India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act, privacy and transparency aren't optional, they're essential. Best practice reminder: build fairness testing, encryption, and auditing into your AI workflow from day one. Ready to future-proof your business? AI agents aren't just the next trend, they're the new operational backbone. The earlier you adopt, the bigger your competitive edge. Follow us for more on AI trends, development insights, and cost-effective AI strategies.